I'm going to lurk in the channel. I have to step away and maybe back before you're done streaming. God bless you, brother. Thank you very much for the lurk, Son of Light. Son of Light, ladies and gentlemen. Son of Light. Right, now let's do some tick lines. I'm really not sure how long I'm going to be streaming. This was just a Saturday surprise pop-up. We'll see how long I can stand it. How long has it been? An hour and 12 minutes. Usually I stream after work. Usually I'm streaming on Tuesdays and Thursdays. .5 Eastern Time, US. Nope, I don't like that. Let's do it this way. Yep, that is better. Better. Alright, my phone is blowing up. What's going on with my phone? It's just the usual noises in here. My church loves to text each other. They just love texting and texting and texting. Hatching from the dark side into the light. Come to the light. Hatch into the light. You can also hatch into the dark. Can't put these tick lines too close to each other. No, I just said, you can't put these, that is too far away. So particular. You can't put them too close and or far away from each other, because they won't get the same effect as, I think of it as the teeth of a comb. Uniform distance. There's the wide side of the comb, where there's wide spaces, and then there's the tiny spaces. Depends on the type of hair that you have. It depends on the situation. So, in art, if you have a bigger muscle, then it's probably wise to use the bigger size pen. But if you have a smaller area, then obviously you have to use the smaller size pen, because it just won't fit. The big one won't fit. Okay, this is going to be a little darker here. Not even going to see the eye. Just going to see the shadow on the eye. Let's put the other eye visible.